Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new free assembly and scoop. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Denim jacket from Free Assembly. This one has the rounded collar, that little shoulder detail. It has snap buttons, the 2 flat pockets with the button on the wrist. The seam kind of fit through the back with that seam detail. These are so cute, and they are going to be $32. New dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that V neckline, the buttons all the way down, fit and flare, and then the puff sleeve. The material on this is so nice. So it comes in the blue floral, also in the brown, and these are going to be linked down below because there's no price. But the Poplin is so nice on this one. I don't think I've ever showed these tanks. I actually ordered one online. I didn't get to show it in a haul, but these are really nice. They have a good size strap, a scoop. It's fitted through the body. Also has the seam detail. I got it in the black, and they are $8. So new button down shirt from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, button on the wrist, the 2 flat pockets with the seam in the back. It also has this button in the back. Could like pop the collar, and these will be linked down below. New dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, ruching, the drop tier nice and flowy, has a little tie detail with the opening in the back, comes in white, also in the rust, and they're $28. I have this new dress from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button on the wrist, little drop tier, and then the seam in the back. And these are going to be linked down below. So new tops from Free Assembly. So these have that smocked kind of strapped squared neckline, embroidered eyelet bottom with the scallop trim, and then the seam around the back with the little buttons. These are going to be $24. New Poplin dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the ruching, has that squared neckline, flowy with the crochet trim, smocking through the back in the black, also comes in blue, and they're $36. New sweater tanks from Free Assembly. So these have the thicker strap. It has this little woven detail, squared. This is the large, that's the extra small, so they are a little bit of a relaxed fit. And it's the same through the back, and these are going to be $20. New belted jeans from Free Assembly. These have that high rise, the little tie, side pocket, flowy through the leg, seam through the back, in this new dark wash, and they're $26. Sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button all the way down. Also has the belt, button detail on the wrist, and then the seam detail in the back, in the straight, and these are going to be linked down below because they took prices off. Puff sleeve sweater from Free Assembly. This has that crew neckline. It has the puff sleeve. It's a textured material with the ribbed bottom, seam through the back in this light blue. Also comes in the navy, and they're going to be $22. They also have a new color in the crew neck tees. These are nice and fitted, relaxed through the sleeve, and then that seam fit through the back. Super stretchy. Now in the green. I think these are $8. I shared them in the black and white before. New denim shirt from Scoop. So this has that high neckline, full button, little shoulder detail. Also has the gathering around the wrist with the button. Scoops in the middle, so it comes up on the side. And then that same kind of seaming through the back. And the price is gone. Dress from Scoop. So this has a little bit of a square neckline, puff sleeve, faux buttons through the front, fit, and then flares, the little pleating, and then a zipper in the back with really nice seam detail. Comes in the white, also in black, and these are going to be $26. Fun are these new tops from Free Assembly. So they have that ruffled neckline, this little tie detail, that's side seaming, elastic on the wrist, relaxed fit, and then the seam around the back. In this green, it's like an army green, and then the pink is so pretty, and they'll be linked down below. Goldie Look for Less denim. These are from Scoop. These are high rise. They have that seam detail, the seam kind of fell through the back. These are the slouchy barrel legs, and they're $28. They also have This is the baggy barrel. So a little different. With the contrast trim, another look for less, and they're going to be $28. This is eyelet with the scallop trim button-down boxy top from Free Assembly is a really good look for less from the brand ALC. There's also a brand called John Lewis that has almost the identical shirt, but it's in black, and that one I think is just 75 euros, so probably like 150. So this one is the smaller collarful button, a little scallop trim. It's that boxy fit. This one is $24. So many Aritzia looks for less. When I was in Aritzia like 2 weeks ago, I couldn't believe the prices and how many comparable pieces there were in Walmart. So this dress is from Free Assembly. It has that scoop neckline, flutter sleeve, smocking, fit and flare. In the white, also comes in the black. This is really nice and stretchy, and they are going to be $28. I also have this one in the blue and white stripe. I shared it in my last haul. Aritzia look for less from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, flutter sleeve, relaxed fit. You could size down if you want it more fitted, and then it has the same through the back. Comes in the white, also in the navy and white stripe, and they're $22. New chambray dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that plunging V neckline, the gathering puff sleeve, drawstring in the waist, tiers, it's flowy, and then the same through the back. And these are going to be $28. So it has a ruffle neckline, this little ruffle trim. I like that this one has a lightweight fabric, that gathered detail, button on the wrist with that little ruffle, and then it's a relaxed fit through the front and the back. So it comes in the white, also in black, and they are going to be, looks like the prices are gone, but they'll be linked down below. Also new sleeveless tanks from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, a stretchy material, really good length through the front and the back. Comes in navy, also in white, and they're $8. These new, these are probably online only from Free Assembly. They have little embroidered fish with the shells. So it is a crop wide leg pant, has the 2 front pockets. These are $26, elastic through the back. Barrel leg jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise. They have the pockets. They come in at the leg, the ankle, and then pockets on the back. They also have that same seam detailing through the back. And they are going to be no price, so they'll be linked. Maybe they had on the tag. No, they took it off. Also new gingham dress from Free Assembly. So this has that plunging V, the little tie detail, elastic through the front and the back. And these are going to be $32. So new striped dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thin strap, that squared neckline, seam detail at the waist, flowy skirt through the front and the back. I think this one is online only. Pretty is this dress from Free Assembly. So it has the thin strap, that V neckline, this really pretty corset style seaming. I love this burgundy color with the belt, and then it has that same fit through the back with the smocking. Color in this dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the elastic strap, has that scoop neckline, the belt. We saw it in the stripe, now it comes in the solid black, and they're $34. So new fish dress. So we saw these pants before from Free Assembly. Now they have this little tie dress. It has the thin straps, elastic, flowy poplin material, and then it continues around the back with the smocking. And these are going to be $32. Sneak peek vest from Scoop. These have that high neckline, the gold button, sleeveless, fitted through the body, same fit through the back. In the green, also comes in black, and they're $22. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve, elastic through the waist, tiers all the way down. Same kind of fit through the back. And these are going to be $36. Also new flutter sleeve top. I just ordered this online, and I'm pretty sure this color is on sale. So it has that crew neckline, eyelet flutter sleeve. It's a nice longer length through the front and the back. These are $16. But like I said, I think they're on sale online in the navy. I think the other colors available are full price. New color in this boat neck top from Free Assembly. So this one has that straight across hem, the little cuff on the side, relaxed fit. It's the same through the front and back. We saw the stripe. It also comes in the white, and these are going to be $12. First are these new high-rise pants from Free Assembly. They have the 2 front pockets straight through the leg with the cuff. Also new Poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the bow sleeve, functioning buttons all the way down, fit and flare with the smocking in the back. Comes in the stripe, how cute, and then also this blue and white, and they're $34. New dress from Free Assembly. So this has that scoop neckline, it has that flutter sleeve, it's a linen texture with the belt, also has the side pockets, it's same flowy fit through the back. In the green floral, also comes in the white and blue floral, and they are going to be $28. New little tank dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline, it's sleeveless, seam detail at the waist, flowy with the eyelet trim, that same fit through the back, and they're $28. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the smocking, the little puff sleeve, flowy skirt through the front, and then it continues around the back. Comes in the white, also in the purple, and they're going to be $28. New set from Free Assembly. This one has this smaller collarful button, the rhinestone detail, has the cuff sleeve. We did see this one in the white and the blue stripe, and now they also have the shorts to match. So these are pull-on, flowy, the same kind of rhinestone detail. They only have the stripe here, and these are going to be $24. New color in the cardigan from Scoop. This one has that rounded neckline, fabric covered buttons, the same kind of fit through the back. We saw the black, now it's in the solid white. So that one looks like, and they're $34. Sneak peek shorts from Free Assembly. These have the tie, pockets, relaxed fit, the same fit through the back, and these are $22. They have white, and then they also have that mid-tone denim. Gap Look for Less denim jacket. This one has the smaller collar, the little puff sleeve, button on the wrist, the 2 flat pockets, also that side pocket with the same detail. And these are $32. I think the Gap one is close to $100. Sweaters from Scoop. These have that high neckline, they're sleeveless, super stretchy, comes in the back like racer back, in the green, also in black, and these are $18. New denim skirt from Scoop. So this one has the fading, this little seam detail, color block on the sides, and then pockets in the back, and these are $24. Also new short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have a crew neckline, has the ribbed sleeve, and then also the ribbed bottom, same fit through the back, and the navy also comes in white, and these are going to be $18. These shimmery Scoop sweaters are so good for year round. You could just keep it to throw on over your shoulders. This color is going to go with so many things. They also have blue, and then I think pink. They have that ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, regularly $26. They're now on sale for $10 and change online. And then also from Free Assembly, another online only. So this one has that Scoop neckline, relaxed fit. I love this textured material. Has the drop tier, also has the belt to pull it in, and this one is going to be linked down below. New pull-on linen pant from Scoop. So this one has the look of a zipper. It has that high-rise wide leg through the front, same fit through the back, in the beige, also comes in black, and they're $30. And they also have a new color in this little twist dress from Free Assembly. It has the thin strap, this twist detail, seam, relaxed fit, tiers to the front, also in the back. We saw this one in the orange, and it'll be linked down below. Sleeve cardigans are very similar to the CC short sleeve button cardigans, on sale for $58.99, regularly $89.99. This one is from Free Assembly. It has the crew neckline, same gold buttons, 2 front pockets. They have solid color options in the CC one. These are $24, so they also have this one in solid colors online. New barrel leg jeans from Scoop. These are high rise. They have that seam detail, whiskering, and then pockets in the back. They're gonna be $28. New cargo pant from Free Assembly. These look like they're mid-rise. They have this same detail, flat pockets, elastic through the waistband, and then it has the same through the back with the flat pocket. And they are going to be $26. New color in this smock dress from Scoop. So this one has the thin strap. It's a squared neckline, that's the front. Poplin, thick flowy material in this floral. Also comes in the purple, and they're $30. New eyelet top from Free Assembly. This one has that ruffle trim with the elastic scallop relaxed fit. Also has that scallop bottom with the keyhole in the back, and these are $24. Also new color in this dress from Free Assembly. So we saw it in the last video in the lime. Now it comes in this like tomato red. Has that flutter sleeve, the V neckline, elastic at the waist, tiers and flowy all the way down, and they're $36. Also new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this one has the full gold buttons, the 2 pockets. We also saw that boxy top that matches back to this. Also has the pockets on the back, and these are going to be $22. New tanks from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. It's a smoothing material, really good length to the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $14. They also have in the same material these plunging VTs. So these have that V neckline, cap sleeve, that same smoothing material. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $15. Cardigans from Scoop. So these have that higher neckline, the puff sleeve, ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back. In the green, there's also black and burgundy, and they're $24. Cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that higher neckline, the little embroidered fish detail, ribbed wrist. Look at the little water. Ribbed bottom, that same fit through the back with no embroidering on the back, and those are $22. So new pull-on style jeans from Free Assembly. These have the drawstring side pocket. Also has the cargo pocket. These look like they're a cropped fit through the front and the back. New color in these Scoop scuba pants. So these have the elastic waistband, drawstring. They have the pocket through the leg. These are on clearance. They're under $15. I picked them up in the gray and I traveled with them. They're so comfortable. Also have from Scoop these little thong style. So I think these are return. They have the round toe, little sling back with the buckle. Only heels from Scoop. So these have the square toe, that T-strap. That's what the stiletto looks like, and these are $30. I'm pretty sure these are majorly marked down online. Pretty are these from Scoop. So they have that square toe, not too high of a heel, with all that metal hardware. In the return section, they have the Scoop belly flats. These have the square toe, they're mesh, and the little strap. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.